Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Viewers, welcome to our this very interesting quiz in which we have to find the value of x, and the equation is this. It means x, the root of x. So x multiplied by root of x equal to root of x raised to power root to x, root of x. So let's make a place for x. So this is, for example, x. This is our x, right? Okay. Now, the first thing we work out is what is the root of is x. Okay. So we simply write it as a this is the x. Okay. Okay. So why not we add a column in here so that we know what is being done in here. Okay, so let's add column and we say that this is x. Okay, this is x, and the next thing we do is what? It is root of x. The root of x means we simply write the formula square root, because in case of zero it will error, it will generate an error. So stop this error and this error will be replaced with zero. Okay. So square root of x of m78. This is n70. I'm sorry. This is the yeah. This is m78. Okay. So square root of x is this. Okay. So this is square root of x of x. Okay. Now, now what we do is in here we multiply these both things, right? M77 and M78. So M79 and multiply by M78. So it gives you the left part of this of your equation, right? So we have completed the setting for this. Let's do the setting of for this. This is simply square root of x. Hmm? So we can write many ways. For example, this is the square root of x raised to power square root of x. Hmm? That's it. So raised to power is denoted like this. Okay. Okay. So here we want to see that when these two equations, the left side of the equation e becomes equal to right side of the equation, this should become 1. So that's what we have done. And this is an AND condition when the left side is equal to the right side, and also that the right side is not equal to 0 because of error. Yeah. And plus the x, the value of x is greater than 1, right? So that we have the, otherwise if we put a 1, it will become the both sides will become 1, right? So those are equal, but it is still giving you error because we want any value greater than 1. That's what is required, right? So there are certain constraints which uh, they be given in the solution. So in the question, there have to be some ground rules to follow. So the rule is that the x should not be equal to 0 and x should not be equal to 1. Okay, any other value is fine. So, so we have made the setting ready. Now let's try errors. If we put a 2 in here, so the equation is failing, not equal. That's why it is 0. Okay. Say, let's say 3, let's say 4, let's say 5. Let's try, sorry, the 5 is here. 5, yeah, it's not equal to 0. And 6 is still not equal to 0. Okay, 7 is still not equal to 0. 8, but it is getting closer. 8 is still not equal to 0. Hmm. And 9, yes, 9 is the first value, is the value which keeps it equal, and this is the right value. This is the answer of the question, that what is the value of x. Okay, so here we should write that the value of x cannot be 1. It's not equal to 0 and not equal to 1. Okay? And solve this equation. So the answer is 9, right? So the next thing we do is we take this to put it into our database of questions, right? So to add a new question, what we need to do is here. All we need to do is copy these two things. The same chapter is continuing, then you can use the same, this is Excel aptitude, and move this also here. The next, the answer is 9, right? Okay, so this is 1, so there's 2, 5, 6, and 9. But since all our numbers have to be left justified so that they look nice in the quiz, right? So what we do here is we left justify them, right? By putting an apostrophe, you make the number as a text, okay? As a text. Okay, so, and this is also a text. So these are our questions, and where is our question is located here, and this is where we were going to put. So let's put it here, Control V, and what we do, we, uh, okay, so make it shorter so that the system will automatically resize it as soon as you click in here and you double click to proceed to the next question. The question is already placed. You have these answers, and your right answer is, of course, 9. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.